everyone, and welcome back to Knitting Revival. It's so good to have you here in our cozy corner of fiber arts. Today, we're diving into a topic that can sometimes feel a little intimidating, but it's actually the key that unlocks a world of creativity: knitting patterns. And if you stick around until the very end of this video, I'm going to share one secret trick that helped me go from being completely overwhelmed by patterns to being able to read anyone with confidence. If you're new to the world of knitting, you might be wondering, what exactly is a pattern? Think of it as a recipe for your project. A good knitting tutorial is your chef, showing you each step. But the pattern is the recipe itself, guiding you with instructions on what stitches to use, how many rows to make, and when to change things up. They're an absolutely essential part of learning how to knit. Now, where do you find these patterns? You can find them everywhere. There are thousands of free knitting patterns online, perfect for a simple knitting scarf or a pair of knitted socks. You can also find incredible paid patterns on sites like Ravelry, which help support independent designers. The same goes for crochet. If you're a crochet for beginners maker, you'll find tons of great resources and patterns for something like a beautiful crochet blanket or some easy crochet projects. Reading a pattern is a skill in itself, but don't worry, most patterns are written in a simple, standardized language. They'll tell you exactly how to do a cast on, how many stitches to knit, and when to repeat a section. Don't be afraid to look up a quick knitting tutorial or how to crochet video if you encounter a new term. Just like with crochet stitches, a little practice goes a long way. Using a pattern is all about following the instructions, but remember, it's also a jumping off point. You can customize them by choosing different types of yarn from your latest yarn haul, or you could even change the colors. Creating something with your hands from a pattern is a wonderful way to join the slow fashion movement, making a high-quality, personal item you'll cherish for years. The world of knitting patterns isn't just for garments. You can find patterns for everything from home decor to fun toys like amigurumi. And the journey doesn't have to be a solo one. You can join a crochet along or find a great knitting podcast for community support and inspiration. And now for that secret tip I promised. The one thing that helps me understand any pattern is this: before you ever pick up your needles, read the entire pattern through from start to finish. Read the entire thing. It helps you visualize the project, and it prevents you from making a mistake 5 steps in because you missed a small detail at the beginning. So don't let a pattern intimidate you. It's simply a roadmap to help you on your creative journey. What kind of project are you hoping to make with your next pattern? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more knitting tutorials and fiber arts inspiration. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy knitting, everyone!